Western Union customers can now receive cash in real time. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Western Union has deepened its relationship with Visa, allowing customers in the US to send money directly to accounts of Visa debit card holders in 6 countries, including Jamaica. The expanded partnership is expected to increase the transfer speed and efficiency of its customers. Western Union integration with Visa Direct, Visa Real-Time Money Movement Network, was initially activated across Europe, enabling Western Union customers in more than 20 countries to send or receive funds directly to eligible Visa debit card holders. Building on this momentum, Western Union customers in the US can now send money in near real time to eligible Visa debit card holders in Colombia, El Salvador, Jamaica, Philippines, Romania, and Thailand using westernunion.com, the Western Union app, or from any Western Union US retail location. Western Union and Visa share a vision for modern money movement, one that ensures border payment are reliable, efficient, and transparent with convenience for customers. Visa is transforming cross-border payment with Visa Direct Debit by helping to bring the ability to securely send and receive money worldwide. Western Union previously offered customers an international prepaid debit card, NetSpend, to send and receive money. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.